BIDU stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief and short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. I am the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And unironically with BIDU, like I do have, it's taken me 5 years, so it's not like an overnight thing, but I was very open-minded for long, so I got a double break and everything, and it actually went, but then break-evens got hit. And all I'm going to say is just I'm going to get rid of all this previous stuff, just trying to make it clear, right? So this is where we are. Just going to mark up my supply zone here, and the only thing that really matters is if this thing gives me a double break so I can take it even further lower, because it's a bearish market for me. If there is a double break here, this is about to be such an easy sell. But notice how I say that there are rules to be met. If there is not a double break, then I'm not looking to take it down. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'd much rather stick to my rules because this is what I've seen working for me. So my previous receipts. And if you want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.